Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll learn how to crochet coaster with simple pattern. In this pattern we have used double treble crochet, double crochet and chains. Before that, if you think I'm explaining very slowly, you can increase the speed of video in setting. Come, let's start our video. I'm using normal decay yarn and 3.5mm hook. Begin with magical circle. From here, chain 3. This chain 3 indicate as double crochet. After chain 3, 23 double crochets we have to crochet in this magical circle. Totally we will get 24 double crochets at the end of this round. After completing 24 double crochets, now split stitch on the third chain. Now just pull this tail gently, it will get close this magical circle. That's all. Now we will begin our second round. From here, chain 3. This chain 3 indicate as double crochet. Again chain 3. Now from here to skip one stitch, on next stitch one double crochet. After double crochet, chain 3. On next, skip one stitch, then next stitch one double crochet. Like this, in alternative stitches we are going to do one double crochet, 3 chains, another double crochet on next stitch. To repeat all over this round. After completing split stitch on third top chain, from here chain 3. This chain 3 indicate as double crochet. Now 3 double crochets inside this chain 3 space. We are going to work inside this chain 3 space. For that, crochet 3 double crochets inside this chain 3 space. After completing 3 double crochets, now 1 double crochet on the top of double crochet. After that, 3 double crochet on next chain 3 space. Like that we are going to fill all over this chain 3 space. 3 double crochet on chain 3 space and 1 double crochet on top of double crochet stitch. Like this we will repeat all over this round. After completing this, now split stitch on top third chain of this round. After this, do split stitch on the next 4 stitch from the hook. From the 4th stitch we're going to do 6 chains. After 6 chains, split stitch on the same stitch. Like this loop we will create in all over this round. From here, split stitch on next 8 stitches. From 8th stitch, again do 6 chains. After 6 chains, split stitch on the same stitch. From here, again split stitch on the next 8 stitches. We will repeat this step all over this round. 8 split stitch on 8th 6 chain, again split stitch on the same stitch, and again 8 split stitch on next 8 stitches. Like this we will complete our round. From here we will split stitch for next 4 stitches. From here round 5 will begin. On from 4th stitch we will crochet 15 double crochets on chain 6 space. Fill 15 double crochets in chain 6 space. That's all. From here skip 3 stitches and split stitch on 4th stitch. We are going to fill like this 15 double crochets on each and every chain 6 space. From 4th stitch again repeat 15 double crochets on chain 6 space. After completing 15 stitches, skip 3 stitches and split stitch on 4th stitch. Again from 4th stitch fill 15 double crochets on chain 6 space. Like this we are going to repeat and complete this round. After completing this round, split stitch on the first double crochet stitch. That's all. Now fast enough. From here we are going to change the next color yarn. You can continue with the same yarn if you want, or else you can change. Insert the hook on between the 2 fan stitch. Change with the next color yarn. From here do chain 4. This chain 4 indicate as 1 double treble crochet. After chain 4 do chain 14. After chain 14, insert the hook on the next between the 2 fan stitch and do 1 double treble crochet. After double treble crochet 14 chains. Like this we are going to repeat all over this round. Between 2 fan stitch, 1 double treble crochet will come. After double treble crochet, 14 chains, and again 1 double treble crochet on neck between the 2 fan stitch. Like this we are going to repeat and complete this round. After completing, insert the hook on the 4th chain and do 1 split stitch. That's all. From here, chain 4, after chain 4, do chain 6. After chain 6, insert the hook on the 6th chain from the hook and do 1 split stitch. From here, chain 4. Now insert the hook on the 7th chain of round 6 and do 1 split stitch. After this, chain 4. After chain 4, chain 6. From here, split stitch on 6th chain from the hook. Now next chain 4. Now split stitch on double treble crochet. That's all. Like this we are going to create the loop all over this round. First chain 4. After chain 4, chain 6. After chain 6, split stitch on 7th stitch of the round 6. After split stitch, again chain 4, again chain 6, split stitch on 6th chain of from the hook. After split stitch, chain 4. After chain 4, split stitch on next double treble crochet. Like this we're going to repeat all over this round. Try to follow with me. After completing this round, split stitch. Now from here we're going to do 5 split stitch and reach to chain 6 space. We're going to fill this chain 6 space. For that, do 5 split stitch and reach to chain 6 space. After reaching to the chain 6 space, do 4 chains. This 4 chain indicates treble crochet. After 4 chain, do 11 treble crochet inside this chain 6 space. At the totally we will get 12 treble crochet in this chain 6 space. After completing 12 treble crochet, from here do 12 treble crochet in next chain 6 space. We're going to repeat all over this round. Each and every chain 6 space we will fill with 12 treble crochet. After completing this, split stitch on the top chain and fasten off. Now we are going to save all this excess yarn with the help of tapestry needle. So we completed our coaster. I hope I explained this each and every step nicely. If you are not able to understand, if you have any kind of doubt, please comment down below. I will try to explain. Try to crochet along you can understand each and every step. If you can't able to get the step, please slow down or else forward the video and watch again. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.